Hey friends, if you wish to fix pink screen of death error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. See, here's the thing. First of all, you need to disconnect all the peripherals to isolate the cause. Once this is sorted out, the next solution will be as follows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. If this helps the cause, then the next solution will be as follows. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Device Manager and check for all of these options if you see a yellow exclamation mark. If you do, then update the drivers. Okay, and once this is sorted, you can also perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.